proclamation. The next issue is whether Jammu and Kashmir retained an element of sovereignty or internal sovereignty when it joined the Union of India. We have held that the state of Jammu and Kashmir did not retain an element of sovereignty when it joined the Union of India. We have arrived at this conclusion for the following reasons. First, paragraph 8 of the instrument of accession executed by Maharaja Hari Singh provided that nothing in the instrument would affect the continuance of the sovereignty of the Maharaja in and over the state. Second, on 25 November 1949, a proclamation was issued for the state of Jammu and Kashmir by Yuvraj Karan Singh. The declaration in this proclamation that the Constitution of India would not only supersede all other constitutional provisions in the state, which were inconsistent with it, but also abrogate them, achieves what would have been attained by an agreement of merger. With the issuance of the proclamation, paragraph 8 of the instrument of accession ceased to be of legal consequence. The proclamation reflects the full and final surrender of sovereignty by Jammu and Kashmir through its sovereign ruler to India, to her people who are sovereign. Third, neither the constitutional setup nor any other factors indicate that the state of Jammu and Kashmir retained an element of sovereignty. The Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir was only to further define the relationship between the Union of India and the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The relationship was already defined by the instrument of accession, the proclamation by Yuvraj Karan Singh in November 1949, and more importantly, by the Constitution of India. Fourth, there is a clear absence in the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir of a reference to sovereignty. In contrast, the Constitution of India emphasizes in its preamble that the people of India resolve to constitute themselves or to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Fifth, that the state of Jammu and Kashmir became an integral part of the Union of India is evident from Articles 1 and 370 of the Indian Constitution. It is reiterated in Section 3 of the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, which is unamendable. Sixth, the preamble of the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, Sections 3, 5, and 147 of the State Constitution, coupled with Article 1 of the Constitution of India, read with the first schedule, as well as Article 370, indicate in no uncertain terms that a system of subordination, as understood by the definition of sovereignty, exists by which the state is subordinate to the Indian Constitution first and only then to its own constitution. Seventh, all states in the country have legislative and executive power, albeit to differing degrees. The Constitution accommodates concerns specific to a particular state by providing for arrangements which are specific to that state. Articles 371A to 371J are examples